I come from a background of railways, families in railway business for the last 40 years. Really, we started with focus on railways, railway coaches, passenger coach, AC, non-AC coach on the main line.
Yes.
So they require a transformer for the hotel loan. And once we started, then we moved into other private OEM customers also. So we do transformers, magnetics basically. We do panels, control panels. Recently, we have started doing power electronics, like battery chargers, rectifiers. Actually, I found Ritesh's post on LinkedIn.
Okay.
So then I looked up what it is, and I think there was a link to for a demo or something.
Okay.
So then we looked at the demo, and then it seemed like it fit for us. So we looked at Zoho. We were looking for an ERP system basically. Then we came across TranZact. It seemed like it fit for manufacturing and this. No, I don't believe it. I believe that your system process has to be in place. Initially, it becomes too early. Don't have so many SKUs and don't have so much. So that time, it's okay to manage. You make some Excel sheets, but then there is no transparency. There is no understanding between teams. For example, now we have an engineering team, purchasing, production team, quality team. So there is a lot of coordination that has to happen. Those things get missed if you don't have a proper system and process. And then ERP helps us. And then even for marketing also, how many quotations you have sent, whether there's an order confirmation. So it has solved most of our issues on the inventory side, on the work order side, what is happening, timeline. Marketing also giving order confirmation. We come to know how many inquiries are there, how many the business intelligence, the reports that come. Even on the engineering side, the bill of material side. So we understand sometimes what happens in engineering, they miss a few items in the design. And when production does, then you come to know exactly what is your consumption. Basically, you need to, most people will not know whether one product is profitable or not. They will be just running on the cash flow. From this, we get to capture that data. So product wise, we come to know.